Hi guys! Welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In this video, I will guide you how to create a Shopify password page with PageFly. So the first thing we want to do is head over to the PageFly dashboard. Password page or coming soon page is the one that is used to notify, entertain or capture contacts of visitors when your store is under construction. To create a password page, navigate to the password pages list. Click the blue button named Create a New Page here to open a blank page. Or click the link below if you want to start quickly with our templates. I will filter the password page in the list. Choose a password page here. And click this button to use it. This is a typical PageFly password page. After changing the text or image, and you feel happy with the page, you can go ahead and click Save and Publish. Put the page title here. And click Publish the Page button. To view the password page in live view, you have to enable Password from Shopify Admin dashboard. Here we are at the Shopify Admin dashboard. We'll go to Online Store. Preferences. If you scroll down, you'll see Enable Password. Check this box. And save the work. Go to the storefront of your page. After you enable the password, refresh this page. And here is the password page. Once you finish your store, you can unpublish this password page in PageFly Admin. Go to the Shopify Admin. Disable the password. Now let's check it out in the storefront. Refresh the page. And here it is. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach out to us via 24/7 in app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.